It is clear that the 2026 Honda Passport is built to handle tough terrain. With new design updates, improved powertrain options, and a few clever features, this sport utility vehicle is ready to impress adventurous drivers. At its heart, the 2026 Passport carries a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine that generates 285 horsepower, a 5 horsepower improvement over the previous model. The torque remains the same at 262 pound-feet, but Honda has replaced the 9-speed automatic transmission with a newly tuned 10-speed automatic transmission designed for the Passport. The iVTM4 all-wheel drive system, Honda's torque vectoring technology, now comes as standard for better handling on all types of roads. Strengthened forged steel suspension arms and cast iron knuckles give the Passport a more robust build. The front McPherson struts are retuned, and a new rear multi-link suspension has been added to handle bumps more smoothly. For greater stopping power, the Passport has larger front brakes, measuring 13.8 inches, and even includes a full-size spare tire. Towing capacity remains strong, with the Passport capable of hauling up to 5,000 pounds. Honda will offer the Passport in 3 trims: RTL, Trailsport, and Trailsport Elite, each with its own unique appearance. The RTL features a black grille and matte black rocker trim, while the Trailsport and Trailsport Elite add rugged touches like amber light emitting diode daytime running lights, gloss black trim, and orange recovery hooks. Additionally, the Trailsport models are fitted with specially designed General Grabber all-terrain tires, created in collaboration with General Tire for a secure grip on rough surfaces.